Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a little 1977 Ford Maverick. Now this little Maverick came out of Arizona, so the body is very clean. This is a nice, clean little driver quality car. This car we're gonna price at $21,900. It has a 10-to-1 compression Ford Racing V8 engine in it. I would imagine it's like a 347, like a 347 stroker engine, but that's all the information that they gave me when I bought it, was that it was a 10-to-1 Ford Racing engine. It has aluminum heads on it, Edelbrock carburetor, Edelbrock aluminum intake. It is power steering, it is power brakes, it has vintage air conditioning on it, aluminum radiator, electric fan. It's got electric fan on for the radiator, and it's got electric fan for the AC condenser. Probably need that out there in the hot Arizona weather. Nice, clean little car. Is it perfect? No, but it's got a really good look to it. You know, it's got a few imperfections on it. It's got a few little scuffs, scrapes on the bumpers. Got a couple little bubbles here on the bottom of the passenger side door. Other than that, I mean, the paint looks nice in the car. Got a nice shine to it. Interior is real clean. Dash pad's nice. Car's got a great sound to it. Headliner, visors, package tray, sail panels, back seat. The seats are all redone. Door panels are nice. Bottoms of the doors are solid. Krager SS wheels. Say the front bumper's got a couple little scrapes on it as well. I say it's not perfect, but it's a really cute little car. And $21,900, heck, the drivetrain was way over half of that. Got a water bottle in my pocket there. Lights, dash lights. Iowa 563-452-2450.